Using a combination square makes it quick and easy to lay out a rectangle with specific dimensions.
Woodworkers, metalworkers, carpenters, and masons leverage this tool to measure angles. Being a multi-purpose tool, the best combination square should incorporate all the features. After numerous in-house tests, I've combined a list of the best combination squares and a buyer's guide to help you settle for one that meets your needs. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best combination square from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. STARAT C11H64R Combination Square. It is no shock to find STARAT products among the leading combination squares on our list. The company is renowned for manufacturing quality, accurate products. The STARAT C11H64R is a well-designed combination square that meets all your requirements. It features a small 6-inch blade, allowing you to fit it into your pocket or apron. The tool allows woodworkers and machinists to check angles or locate center holes. Moreover, you can use it to check the squareness of corners. It also measures the length and finds the center point of round objects. The super hardened steel blade includes a satin chrome finish which allows seamless reading. Moreover, the head is cast iron and features a black wrinkle finish. This allows you to measure 90-degree angles precisely. This combination square also features photo engraved black on white markings. These markings allow you to take measurements seamlessly. Number 2. STARAT Combination Square C11H124R. Here's yet another premium product by STARAT. I recommend buying this combination square if you're running on a flexible budget. Despite being pricey, the product is a cut above and promises to deliver the best in every project. Like most other models from this brand, this combination square has a durable cast iron head. Moreover, it sports a black wrinkle finish which enhances its general aesthetics. In addition, it comes with a 12-inch hardened steel blade. The machine-divided blade features a satin finish. This tool combines first-rate materials and machining methods. This helps to minimize flex from the blade, hence guaranteeing enough accuracy. As a result, you can use it on projects requiring a high level of detail. Besides taking your readings quickly, the 4R graduation ensures you achieve a high level of accuracy. Number 3. MrPen Combination Square 123. At times, you may be working on projects that don't need a high level of precision. As a result, you needn't have to look for a combination square that lies on the higher end of the price spectrum. In this case, MrPen Combination Square will suit your needs. However, I wouldn't recommend subjecting the product to rugged daily use. In return, you're guaranteed a long service span. The 12-inch MrPen Combination Square includes a corrosion-resistant die-cast zinc head. Moreover, it features a stainless steel blade with distinct markings. While it's only calibrated down to 1/323, it also includes a centimeter scale and 1mm divisions. The tool also includes a spirit level, a spring-loaded brass bolt, and a brass scriber. However, the blade and head casting are thinner than other high-quality tools. As a result, the tool may not be as durable as you'd wish. Yet, since it is an affordable option, you won't have to dig deeper into your pockets for a replacement. Number 4. WORKPRO Rafter Square and Combination Square Tool Set. Unlike your typical combination square, this set has a built-in carpenter square. Moreover, it includes a bubble level and a removable brass scriber. Also, the ruler is quite solid and features graduations down to 1/32 inches. The Rafter square is die-cast and consists of a heavy-duty aluminum alloy. So, besides being durable, you can trust the tool to deliver precise measurements. It also includes a combination ruler that's die-cast from zinc alloy. The ruler, which consists of stainless steel, sports a matte finish. You'll also appreciate the marked-out scale that's easy to read. Besides being deep and permanent, the white graduations enhance readability. Thus, you can use it in all lighting conditions. This also guarantees superior legibility and a long service span. The Rafter square finishing has a low glare and a protective powder coating. Moreover, it offers many graduations. It blends the features of a tri-square, framing square, protractor square, and miter square. The tool also features a 12-inch stainless steel blade with 3 scale values, including 1mm, 1/163rd, and 1/323rd. Number 5. Ijing Premium 4-piece 12/4R Combination Square. This is a premium 24-inch combination square. It consists of a cast iron center finding head, a cast iron degree protractor, and a mitering head. The miter head offers 45 and 90-degree precision ground faces. Since its head is adjustable, you can lock it in any position along the satin chrome finished steel blade. Also, the protractor can rotate in both directions, allowing you to measure angles in tight fit areas. The blade features machine-etched and machine-divided graduations. The The graduations come in one 83rd and one 163rd on one side and one 323rd and one 643rd on another. Besides its hardened steel construction, the blade features a parallelism of 0.0006 123. Moreover, the square head includes a hardened scriber and a built-in bubble level. This combination also comes in a plastic padded storage case. Luckily, being a premium product, you can expect greater efficiency and high accuracy in various applications. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.